Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the heart charm in Fish It game of Roblox new Valentine's update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Valentine's update has been released in Fish It game of Roblox, and to get the heart charm, you need to go to the the Heartfelt Island, which is the new island from the Valentine's update. And as you can see right here, there is a new item, which is the heart charm. And then first of all, go to the Heartfelt Island first, and you're going to buy the heart charm right here. Okay, and you will need 20k coins to buy the heart charm, and I've already purchased the heart charm, and I'm going to show you guys. Okay, this is the heart charm. Okay, and it has 200 uses per charm. And for the bonus log, you will have 20%, and for the Valentine log, you will have 50%. Okay, equip the charm, and you're going to fish with the charm. Okay, just like this, and I just do fishing at the fishing area of the Heartfelt Island. Okay, just like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the heart charm in Fish It game of Roblox new Valentine's update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!